back to Travels Large. Today we are staying at the Bellagio room 10027, which is just a standard king room. Come inside and let me show you around. You're going to notice this room is really nice and quite a bit bigger than a lot of the rooms that you might notice. First, of course, you have a king bed. You have that. You have some USBs beside the bed, wireless charging, nice comfortable chair that Nina over there is using for her homework. Of course, you got the mini bar. Be careful of that thing. It knows when you take something from it, and it will charge your room automatically the moment you touch it, so don't touch it. And then you got a nice little wardrobe, which comes with bathrobes. You got, in this case, a beautiful view of the pool. Unfortunately, it's not the famous fountains, but you do get a great view of the pool. The curtains are powered. There's controls next to the bed and controls here on the wall, so you do have that as well. And we go into the bathroom. This is one of the biggest bathrooms. I have stayed in cruise ship cabins smaller than this bathroom. So you have a soaking tub, you have a walk-in shower, which is almost the size of a cruise ship shower. And then you do have the his and her sink over here as well with all the amenities. A real loofah that is for you in your room. So you do have that available along with all the other toiletries and everything that you might need here at the Bellagio. So this room, when I booked it, they were typically going for about $600 a night, and it's a really nice room. So found any of this information helpful, definitely click the subscribe button, and in a small world, travels large.